90 లక్షల నిధులతో మేడ్చల్ కోర్టులో ముఖ్య అతిథిగా విచ్చేసిన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర హైకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తి అభినందన్ కుమార్ శావలి భూమి పూజ చేశారు. మేడ్చల్ కోర్టు ప్రాంగణంలో తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర హైకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తి అభినందన్ కుమార్ శావలి మొక్కలు నాటారు. అనంతరం కోర్టు ప్రాంగణంలో పర్యటిస్తూ పరిసరాలను పరిశీలించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా నిర్వహించిన సమావేశంలో ముఖ్య అతిథులు అయిన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర హైకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తి అభినందన్ కుమార్ శావలిని మేడ్చల్ జిల్లా కోర్టు బార్ అసోసియేషన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ చీదు హనుమంత్ రెడ్డి సన్మానించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా హైకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తి అభినందన్ కుమార్ శావలి మాట్లాడుతూ అత్వల్లిలోని కోర్టును మేడ్చల్ కోర్టుకు తరలించేందుకు అదనపు గదులు నిర్మించడం జరుగుతుందని తెలిపారు. మేడ్చల్ కోర్టులోని అన్ని శాఖల కోర్టులు ఉండేలా కాంప్లెక్స్ కోర్టు భవనానికి భూమి పూజ చేయడం జరిగిందన్నారు.
Now that we stall the work for 10-15 days, let us try to take steps to see that the main building is constructed here, that 5 acres can be utilized for judicial purpose. Now, I inquired from the district judge. What he says is, for that model court complex, 10 courts complex, the requirement of area is 3 acres. Here it is 3.2 acres. Some another 2 or 2.5 acres can be adjusted here itself. So when there is a possibility of constructing the new courts, let us try to construct here itself so that it will be convenient for the litigant, public and advocates also. Instead of going here and there, then that becomes a problem. As far as infrastructure is concerned, I have seen the courts, they are very small, very unhygienic, there are no proper ventilation, because it's a duty of the state. The state consists of parliament, legislature, executive and judiciary. So judiciary is also one of the pillar of constitution. So we must give the best of best infrastructure for the litigant public, because nobody is willing to come to the courts. When they are forced, when they face some problems, then only they come to the court. So we must understand their difficulties. Our prime object should be to deliver justice to the needy who are coming to the courts. So, and for criminal justice, police, public prosecutors, everything, judicial officers, they are all part of a system. One cannot deliver justice. It is all in combination, in coordination with everyone. So every effort should be made that justice, real justice is delivered. So as far as infrastructure, what I have seen is courts are very small, lady associations are also very small. There are 80 practicing advocates, hardly there is any place for 10 ladies to sit. And I don't know. So we'll definitely try to, because infrastructure cannot be built in a couple of years or months. Long we must have a far sight. We must plan 10 years, 15 years, then only we can achieve that. So definitely, what are your difficulties? Please apprise me. I'll try to work towards achieving that goal. Any other problems? It is always up there. I can discuss, because by discussion only we can find a solution. That's very important. Thank you very much. All the best.
And all today, for foundation of laying foundation stone, we have invited our honorable administrative judge Sri Abhinandan Kumar Shalve for laying a foundation stone. He has agreed our invitation, and he approached and he laid a foundation stone in the premise of Medchal Court. And he has assured us to build a multi-complex 10 courts complex in Medchal Court. Rather, we have allotted a 5 acres of land in Kanlokoya for construction of the building in the premises survey number 165 March, and so on. And we, the portfolio judge, we demanded the requested where there is no such infrastructure provided to either litigants or advocates or staff of these courts. So amenities are not proper is there, and for that we requested to provide amenities. And there is no lady bar association. There is no more than 80 persons, 80 lady advocates are practicing in this court. Now for this request, the Lordship was very kind enough and agreed to take a proposal to construct in Medchal itself as early as possible. Within 10 days, we will smoothly refer to the building committee, and building committee will analyze the case and immediately they refer to the R&B building. And we expect within a short period the laying of foundation stone of 10 multi-court complex will be established in the Medchal court established. So in this part of this court premises for foundation lay, the principal district judge Balabhaskar Rao and second additional Jeevan Kumar sir and other distinguished judges and advocates, lady advocates, junior, senior and press, printia, municipal commissioner, and joint collector, revenue departments, R&B department officials were present, and the program was very successful, and the Lordship was very kind enough to consider our demands and requests made in our and behalf of Bar Association Medchal. Being a president of Medchal Bar Association, I am very proudly and happily say that this is a occasion where we are waiting for more than 16 years to locate the courts in one campus, because 2 courts campus are there, being national level in between. The curve is there. There are several accidents are taking place. To avoid these aspects, it is very just and necessary to locate a complex where our administrative judge has considered and accepted our request and he has laid a foundation stone, and he assured us we will commence multi-store complex in the same premises. Thank you.
సరే ఇసొంటి ముచ్చట్లు ఇంకా మస్తుగా పట్టుకొస్తాయి కానీ అప్పటిదాకానైతే మీరు మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోరి. షేర్ల పనే కాబట్టి షేర్లు చేయురి.